for this question, it's actually relatively simple, but then you have to maybe get exposed to such question. So there are 3 persons here. Okay, we're given some fun fair tickets to sell. Then each ticket price, you know the price here, and you know that Jenny sold about half of the tickets. So Jenny is actually here. It's actually half of the tickets. Jenny is here. Okay, so half of the tickets. And then the ratio, then the other 2 sold the rest in the ratio of 2:5. So let's say here is 2, and then here is 5 units. So over here is sold by who? Katie. So here is 20. So it's asking how and then another thing is, you know that Jenny sold 45 more tickets than Katie. So Jenny $45 more tickets. Okay, so it's asking you how much did Mandy sold. Very easy. If Jenny is half of this, the second half is actually how many units? The second half here is total of 7 units. So theirs is, in this case, is Jenny is 7 units. Candy is 2 units. Okay, so 7 units minus 2 units will give me 5 units. 5 units, which is here, which is equals to 45. Then 1 unit will give me about it's 9. Okay, so in this case, Mandy sold 5 units. So 5 units equals to 9 times 5 equals to 45 tickets. Okay, so here is 45 tickets. Okay, the 3 girls will receive 1/5 of the amount of money they collected from the sale of the tickets. So in total, the girls sold how many tickets? They sold 14 units of tickets. Okay, so since you already know that 1 unit, 1 unit is actually 9 tickets. 14 units, right, will actually be 14 times 9 to give me 126 tickets. Okay, and then you know that 1 ticket costs $11.50. So 1 ticket costs $11.50. I have 126 tickets. It actually cost about the total cost of ticket itself is actually 1445. But then they'll only receive 1/5 of the amount. So they'll only receive 1/5 times 1449 equals to 289.80. So this is the amount that they will receive total. Okay, they didn't say. Then if they will ask if each of them will be received different ratio, then you further break this to different ratio. Okay, this is a very simple example. During exam, I don't want you to mix up again. Okay, a boutique owner paid this amount for a total of 27 dresses and skirts. Okay, so you don't know how many dresses and how many skirts you bought. So the ratio of the cost of the dress and the cost of the skirt is actually 7:4. And you know that one dress costs 84. Now it's asking what is the cost of one shirt. So it's actually very easy. You put the dress and then you put the shirt. Put down their ratio. And know that this one costs 84 for one. And happens that 84 divided 7 will actually give you 12. Which means that this one times 12. And then over here will be times 12 also, to give you the answer of 48. So 4 times 12 equals to 48. So in this case, one shirt is actually cost $48. Okay, this is A. And then the B is asking you what is the ratio of a number of dresses and the shirt bought by the owner. Okay, I'm going to tell you my mistake. Because initially I wanted to group them into one group, which is one group, right? If one group, it has dress and shirt, which is cost 84 plus 48. So one group, okay? And then I know that total it costs 18. Total all cost 1836, right? Okay, firstly, there are actually two floors where I think like that. Because over here I didn't know that the ratio of the number of dresses to the number of shirt, which means that the number of dresses and the number of shirt is not 1:1. You okay? So this is only happen when in one group there's one shirt and one dress. So this way of grouping is not correct. Okay, if in this case this way of grouping is not correct because I assume it's one shirt and one dress. Okay, and then in total cost this, we can do a very simple one because it's okay, 1836 divided by what the total cost of this is actually 132. It will actually give me a decimal of $13, 13 group and remaining 9. Okay, so 13 group and remaining 9. It is a bit how can that be, right? Because it says has a total of 27 similar dresses. So if 13 group and remaining 9, so 13 and 9. So it is not possible, right? So I limit this way of doing. Another way would be my guess and check. And the guess and check is actually a correct way because from the guess and check I can calculate what is the number of dresses and what will be the number of shirt. Okay, first before I do my guess and check, I need to find the difference between one dress and one shirt. So 84 minus 48 will give me 36. Okay, and then I will do my guess and check. Because my dress is actually this is times 84. Okay. If then my shirt will give me times 48, right? Total I should have 27, and then total cost should be 1836. Okay. Okay. From here I can, because I know that there's actually total 27. So if I put all 27 to be dresses times 27, it will give me 2268. Okay, give me a minute. 2268, and this is 0. Then this is 27. 2268 minus 1836 will give me 400 and no, this is 2268, right? 2268 is 22, because now the total cost is 2268, which is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. So I want to know how much I need to exchange dresses to the shirt. So I use 2268 minus what I want is actually 1836 divided by 30, because I need to know how many I need to use to exchange, right? Because I know the difference. Then I will get an answer of 12. So it means that initially I thought it's 27. I must minus 12. I minus 12 off will be 15. So the cost is 84 times 15. Give me 1260. And then here will be 12. 12 times 48 will actually give me 576, the cost. And then total they add out to be 27 dresses and shirt. And then in total I will have 1260 plus 576, which will give me 1836. Okay, cool. This is the correct one. So it's asking what is the number of dresses to the number of shirt. So the ratio is this, right? Please, if you say dresses, then put dress first, okay? Don't go and balik and sabo yourself. So what I have is 15 here. And please look carefully, don't take this number. And then here is 12. So it's 15 to 12. To the simplest form, then you'll be, here is, to the simplest form, here is 4. And here is 5. And then please write your sentence. Okay? Bye.